lagging yet. Bakit ganito yung lighting? The lighting is not very good. So I am in the lobby. I'm done eating breakfast and we are about to leave for Ubon. So Ubon is our workplace. So now, I'm trying to call Hannah. Yeah. I'm trying to call Hannah, but she's not picking up. She's not picking up. But Hannah is just 2 years old. She can't pick it up. But the one who's with her, I know. But it's okay. I will just call her later. So, alas 8 kami alis dito. Hopefully, we will arrive to Ubon at 5 p.m. or 4 p.m. Sana not too late kasi we have work tomorrow. Look at their lobby. Their lobby is very nice. Very nice, but the lighting is very dark. Good morning, teacher. Lighting is very... Yes, so guys, today's the last day of our trip and hopefully you will be with me until the end of this video. And thank you so much for supporting and for subscribing and for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy. God bless. Stop over! There's an airplane. Yes. Have an airplane. Museum. This is the we're gonna ride ATV. We are at Chukchak farm. Chukchak. I think this one is the complete. Milk. May gatas pa ang aming mga labi. Eat pa namin. Mamaya na. Ay, after na lang, Ning. Meron silang small zoo, museum, steak hut, ticket office, entrance, inside farm chak-chak, feed the horses. Feed the horses. This place smells like farm. Smells like farm. Ang baho. Yes, mabaho. Oh my gosh, I like my outfit. Char, wala ako naka-shorts. Parang nasa bahay lang. Sige na, pasok na. Hangin. Hindi lang. Feel ko. Ayaw ba? Milk. Tablets? Milk tablets? Magkano to? Buy 1 box, get 6 pieces free for 1,200 baht. Makasave daw ka og 300. You confuse me, Grabe ka! What's the price? This is so confusing.
For your student.
For your student.
I will for your student.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, teacher. This one confuses me.
Yeah.
See, if I want to buy 1 box, I'll get 6.
6 pieces.
6 what?
6 pieces of tablets. 6 pieces of tablets. May box pala na ganito.
Yes.
Big box. Big boxes.
What is this? 100.
Money, ano? Money bank.
100. Yes, sa mga
Huh?
dolls.
What is this?
So, yeah, it's for 150. Why this one is
Yeah, this one. Milk bar soap. Milk body lotion. Everything is from the milk. Milk conditioning. Huh? Teacher. Milk shampoo.
conditioning shampoo.
Also have this one, mga soft toys. Ano bang bibilhin ko sa ano man? This one too. Alright. This one, 219. No. Ja, 219.
219, yes. Plus this one.
Or isa na yan. Bakit na yan? Siguro set na.
Oh, isa na.
Magkano isa nito?
55.
55.
55.
Ito na lang may bilhin. Saan yung kinuha yan?
Over there.
Where?
Pero sabi ni Teacher Piggy, meron pa daw sila isang shop.
Where?
Pupuntahan pa daw na.
Where did you get that? Ja, I don't see it. Here. Okay. Kuha ka ng set na ganyan. 155. Parang ito na lang mabilhin ko. Isa ka pearl gay, isa ka ano. Ano yan? Masarap yan. Sige, ito dalawa. I'll get two.
ซื้อ6ฟรี1นะคะซื้อ
อะไร
ฟรี1ถุงค่ะสนใจรับเพิ่มไหมคะ
อะไรนะคะ
ซื้อ6ถุงฟรี1ถุงค่ะ
I don't Michael Jackson อะไรนะเป็นฟิลิปปินส์อะไรนะ
you buy 6 get free 1
อ๋อ
buy 6 free 1 let's do it buy 6 free 1
Oo. So, isahin na lang namin. Para makalibre kami ng isa. Okay, ikaw na magbayad muna.
magkano ba ang 6?
Siya na muna magbayad.
naku nandun pa naman wala pa lunches dito uy
Sige, may cash out.
Dili sa inyo sa toilet. Dili sa inyo sa toilet ba? Sa gisod lang tayo sa gisod ng mga toilet. Diretso ba? Ano, wait ka na mo?
So, ngayon guys, kachacha. Inubos niya na lahat.
Buy 6.
Buy 6 kasi, saka free 1. So, isahin na lang namin ng bayad para makalibre kami ng isa.
Di ka nagkanto, ha?
Parang gusto kong kumain ng ice cream. Ayan o. Ice cream. Let's go buy ice cream later.
Take away cup lunch.
Take away cup L. 85. Ayan, nabili niya na lahat. Pag sabi niya na ano, buy 6 free 1. Sige, mag-isa na tayo. Isahin na natin pagbayad lahat.
Pagbayad para share.
Para may libre kaming isang pack.
scoop, 52. 2 scoops,
9 large na 85.
3 scoops, 110. Small cup,
2 cups, oh, 150 lang.
2 big cup, 190.
Makasave ka ng 20. Ang normal. Pero hindi yan hindi yan ice cream. Drinks lang yan.
110. 3 scoops, milk products, ice cream. Gusto ko fresh milk. Fresh milk.
Mabili na kami. Ay, okay. Marami silang pera na iwan.
Ito na lang, 300.
Very happy kami kasi hindi nakuhaan yung sahod namin. Char. We're on budget.
We're on budget.
Nasa budget pa yung pera namin.
Nasa vault pa.
Oo, nasa
Me, I'm not on a budget because
nasa-
I don't have any money.
nasa bracket pa kami.
Wala akong budget. Wala akong para i-budget.
Teacher Damo! Ice cream!
2 scoops of fresh milk
Yes.
ice cream. Ako na nga. Yes, cup.
2 scoop?
Yes. And 1 more. So 2 cups? Yes, 2 cups.
1 more.
I want 3 cups. So
Isa.
2 scoops. And oh my gosh, it's so milky. Ayun. Kaya ako
25 is a 50. May peanut pala.
Ano? May 5 lang ko na kulang. Ay, nakulang.
Sige lang, mamaya.
And the taste.
Okay na.
And the taste. Oh my gosh. Thank you.
Get yours over there and let's go sit. We'll see. Ang hirap naman ng life namin. Ayan. Kakain kami along the road.
Let's taste.
Let's taste test. Taste testing. Let's set our...
Neng, you sit down.
You sit down, taste test. Diyan ka din ako.
Silang ako. 1, 2.
Sige, ganyan muna. Okay, let's see.
Why it tastes like milk? So milky.
Ay, nako, milk talaga siya.
Milk talaga siya na ginawang ice cream.
Ha?
Ano yung
Milk talaga siya. Pero ang sarap. No? Parang bear bread. Parang beer bread.
Wow.
Beer bread. Beer bread talaga. Wala nang iba.
Oo nga, parang siyang beer bread, no? Beer brand? Beer talaga.
Bear bread. Bear.
Beer.
Asosyal ba may beer
Oo, beer na
na
brand.
bread. San Miguel beer. Sarap. Guys, this is 75. 2 scoop ang mahal. No?
Oo, okay lang man.
Expensive. But, sarap. 1 scoop is 52. Mahal pa rin.
Mahal pa din. Pero makamura kapag simple ka.
Scoop na lang. Nasa along the road wala ka na. Or stop over.
Tawa si teacher eh. Sama niya kang buy 6 get 1 free.
Katawa nga siya. Janjay, si teacher Janjay. Magsabi na ano, magsabi na pagbili ng 6, libre yung isa. Ah, sige, sige.
Di, meron tayong ano, may
Ice cream na ka.
What's it? Ice cream, teacher.
Ice cream ka. Uy, lami uy. Lami, kitsa tinuod. Ay, I'm not biased. But says gooey siya, Ning. Ganun gooey siya.
Best milk ice cream.
Gooey siya, no? Bakit ano kaya nilagay nito, Ning? Yan dahil sa milk? Pag-aralan nito, Ning. Kasi mag-ice cream shop ka ba lang? Ah, kasi machine na to, no? Ning, no? Kasi machine na ito.
Ilan niyang ano, signature? Iba ako. Mabakal ko sa tablet to kay Rihanna sa mga kapatid.
Kalisa. Ilan yung,
Sa tablet.
ilan yung mga bata mo? Ilang laman nun? Ilang laman yan?
Ilang lima? Pero kabilang pa. Saan taas? Ang isa. Saan ka pala may kanton ka sa bus?
I-try natin.
Not a bad idea. Ito na yung free.
Yung free, kakainin namin. Taste test.
Pero, bilangin muna namin kung ilan.
Oo, kasi pamimigay namin sa bata namin. Nagsiselfie kami.
Teacher, ha? Sawadee Kha.
Sawadee Kha, teacher.
By 5. 5. 10. 15. 25. 30 pieces. Isang pan.
30, so kailangan mo ng one more.
Hindi, yung bibilin ko yung tablet lang. Kasi marami na yun. Mga more than 15 na ata sa isang bottle mo.
Sige, taste test muna. Ito yung milk candy. Let's try. Parang ano siya, kinaka-cubes. Parang Nor cubes. Anong tawag sa atin yung milk na ano din, Liberty milk din na mukha din sala.
Yema?
Parang yema. Pero hindi na siya, sobrang tamis. Yema siya, pero hindi siya kasing tamis ng yema.
Nakakondensya na. Yung milk ginawa nilang condense. May nalasahan ka, Ed?
Egg? Ewan, hindi ako parang mula. Dumating na kami ng Kupon, pero bili muna kami ng food. Nandito kami sa walking street. Dala pa kaming bag. Aray ko. Dala pa kaming bags. Guys, sa wakas, dumating na talaga ako dito sa room ko na maliit. Ay, finally. After how many days? 5 days and... How many hours? 5 days and 2 hours. Dumating na kami dito sa bahay ko. Tsaka ang init ng room ko, tsaka ang messy. So, ayan, hindi ko na nga papakita sa inyo. So, ayun, nandito na ako. See you for my next one, guys. Pagod na talaga ako. I'm so tired. So let me rest first and see you tomorrow.